Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do text tracking on CapCut PC. So first, of course, you need to add your text to your video. I'm going to add it in here. Then you can just type in your text. Let's dance. Okay, I'm not going to change the font, but because I just want to show you the tracking. Okay, after that you just need to click on the text and go to tracking, and you can just click on the motion tracking, and now you can choose the object to follow. So I'm going to go with these hands right here. Okay, then you can also make the size like this. Then I'm going to drag it in here. Okay, then after that, if you don't want your text to follow the tracking object, so the scale won't be influenced by the tracking object, you can just turn this off. But if you don't, if you just want to it follow the tracking object, you can just click on start, and after that CapCut will do the text tracking. You can just wait until it finish. Okay, so now you see that the text will begin to follow the object that you chose before. So it will move like that according to the object movement. Okay, so it's nearly finished. Okay, so now the tracking has been completed and you can preview the result in here. I'm going to play it. Okay, you can see now the text is moved based on the object that I chose before, but the scale is also following the movement, so it becomes smaller like that at the end. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.